Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here again with another Vlogmas post. Can you believe it's day 8? I'm already on day 8 of Vlogmas 2022. That's crazy, right? Okay, so I've got another great idea for you for a garland. If you haven't checked out the first episodes of Vlogmas this year, I'll give you a quick rundown of what I'm doing. So I love to look at Pinterest. I love to look at ideas for all kinds of different craft ideas, for crochet especially. But I know I don't have time to make them all, so I kind of collect the ideas. And I love to share them with you. So for Vlogmas, I am collecting ideas for garlands because everybody's got a little bit of time where you can make just a little garland to help decorate your house or your office or wherever. Decorate your car, your bicycle, I don't know. You can decorate anything. So we're looking at garlands specifically for Christmas, and I came across these really cute they look like Christmas lights. So these ones are kind of pastel colored, but they'd be just as cute in like any other kind of bright color or traditional Christmas color. However you wanted to do them would be really cute. They'd also be really cute with a sparkly yarn, in my opinion. Of course, in my opinion, everything looks better in sparkly yarn, so that might be something you kind of have to weigh out for yourself. But I could see these in any different color that would match your home decor, and they would just be super cute. So if you're interested in making them, this particular pattern is by Frederica Creates. Blogspot.com, I think, is where you can find it. Or you can just click on my Pinterest link down below in the description box, and that'll take you to all of the ideas that I had for this particular Vlogmas. And then you can, try any one of them out that you want. I hope you're enjoying this little series as much as I'm enjoying making it. It's been a lot of fun making Vlogmas so far. Of course, we're only on day 8. By day 24, I might feel differently. We'll see. But until then, I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're, not getting too stressed out about the holiday season, because it's really more about, being together and showing the loved ones that you have in your life how much you care about them. So try to keep that in mind. Don't get too stressed out, and sit down and crochet a garland now and then. You'll feel better. Okay, everybody, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.